night what I tried to do was got my husband's almirah. This is Hi guys, hope you are doing well inshallah. This is your girl Seher. As you saw in my last vlog, I talked about some personal information and shared the current status update of my life, and in that video I told that today I will be taking care of my husband's cupboard, which I will show it to you guys once I flip this, but I thought I will just give you a little bit of introduction and give you a sort of recap as to what the situation looks like, and then probably start the video. So let's get started with the video already. I don't want to take too much of my time, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. I make videos on lifestyle, traveling, which is banned right now, but yeah, lifestyle, traveling and makeup. And makeup I haven't done from past 2 months. I haven't been in that space, but yeah, that this video is not about cribbing or being sad or talking about sad things. It's all about making little mental improvements and making little changes in your lifestyle. Basically, I'm just arranging my husband's cupboard, which was delayed, procrastinated, and I gave him an adult responsibility of making his own cupboard look like a cupboard, but he didn't. So we will, and make space for the boxes and empty that out for once, so that the space is so nice that you can enjoy the balcony to its fullest. So yes, I will show it to you guys right now what the situation looks like. This is almirah. These are not all of his clothes. So some of his clothes, the regular ones, the daily wear ones, I have shifted it to my cupboard. So where I had kept the makeup, the one counter where I had kept the makeup, that I have removed and kept all of his clothes. And these are just his like office wear, and some of them are like jeans and jackets. Not jeans, they are formal pants and jackets. And here I have kept all of his formal shirts, and here it is jubbas, jilbabs, and all the Islamic stuff which he wears on a Jummah or on Eid or on special occasions. So those are all of those over here, and all of his biking gear is here. So I have freed up these two strings. So now you can see, so these two are emptied out. The reason I had to do this was because he has a lot of shoes. So some of it we have fit outside, but that's not gonna suffice for him. So all of that looks like a hot mess express. Basically that's the jewelry, watches, perfumes, makeup, falana dimkana. So the corner that you see over there, what I want from that corner is I have ordered a set of drawers, which you see almost every YouTuber has it, like not the IKEA ones, the plastic ones. So I don't want to go anything fancy, because it's always so happen that whatever I buy fancy, then when I move to a next home, it doesn't match the aesthetics of the home or the build of the home, and it is painful because you pay a lot of money and it doesn't even go with the house and everything. And we're having the same kind of situation with that recliner, and we don't have a sofa, so we have kept the love couch, which is so uncomfortable to sit, but there isn't any space, so I either have to throw out the recliner or the love seat, and both of them are damn expensive, so you know what I mean. So that's why I've just got the plastic drawers for that side. So in case if they don't match the aesthetics of the other house, I can discard. That would be less painful than spending like 15,000-20,000 on furniture. And I'm talking about the minimum amount on the furniture and then discarding them. So yeah, that's the deal. So that's what I have tried to do. So I had washed this and I've put it here. The view from here is absolutely beautiful. It's green and lush, as you can see. So once I am done, oh my god, let me just turn the camera. So as you can see, there is a lot of mess over here which has to be sorted, but never mind, I'll do that today inshallah. And this is the beautiful planting rectangular thingy which the old houses used to have, and as you can see there's a lot of foliage, and it's basically all what do you say, it's all weeds and dirty grass that we don't need. So once I'm done with all the unpacking, finally I will move to gardening something over here, and the view is absolutely beautiful. My dartboard, again, not going anywhere because it doesn't match the aesthetics of the home, nor does there is space for it. So kind of bummer, and it's been lying here and feels so bad to see it here. So that's the washcloths, dirty laundry, where the dirty laundry goes. So the backers and movers didn't take the cardboard boxes because it was getting late and the night curfew was to start. It was the first day of the night curfew. So yeah, we moved in at the first day of the night curfew began, and ever since we've just been in quarantine. That's the mopping bucket. So what I was talking about was these boxes: box number 1, box number 2, and there is a box number 3. So all of these boxes have shoes. Oh no, there is box number 4 as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I think one of this middle box has my books, but 1, 2, and 3 has shoes. All of it is filled with shoes, and all of these are my husband's shoes. So I need to make space for them in that. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I am going to start about that and unpack it. Things I got out from the cupboard, which I don't know where to keep. Like the towel will obviously go inside my cupboard, and there's this random stuff like the gym stuff and some car stuff and earphone holder, like the box pouch. And this is all my camera setup. So this mirror actually goes on this. Can you see the holes? It goes on this. It had it, but during the shifting time they just removed it, and we've not been to be able to put it back. So we're gonna do that. And during shifting time they did break this, which was my favorite. Was I have kept the pieces, but I don't know when I'm going to fix it. Lazy girl. A little bit of update what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to keep myself busy and not cry all the time. So yeah, today's task is this. And yeah, let's just sort this mess out. So my skin also looks in a very bad state. I haven't taken care of it, obviously, and there is some running around for my mental peace. I need it. My husband has put that because he knows I calm down after that. Yeah, thank you for tuning in, and if I continue the vlog and do something, then I will probably make a separate video, I guess, and that's about it, yeah, guys. Now this is a good angle I feel for me to sit and do my work. So right now I will get the boxes. Alright. This box is done. One down, more to go. So guys, after cleaning and decluttering, this is how my room looks like, and this is a studio room, and all of it looks like this. So have organized his cupboard fully, and everything looks sorted here. And this is the mirror. There's some jackets in the behind which he uses on the go. So needs that I need on an urgent basis. My clean brushes, which I will share how I did it in the next video. So this is my diary and planner, which I frequently use, and that's the book I'm reading. So that's that. And I need to open this. So for the balcony, this is how it looks like. My husband has made his own like man cave space. So after that, I can finally get on to doing plants, like doing the gardening over here and getting some plants. But this is how he's made this space. We got this barbecue from the local market in Commercial Street. So you will see another video of that in the next. So what I bought from there. So I'm shooting on another day, so you see a different outfit, but you guys saw how this room has become much cleaner, much nicer, and much more, breathable. So I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give a thumbs up, and do like my videos, all of them, and do subscribe and leave a comment down in the box. So I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, you take care. Bye.